All right, good morning. Welcome back. This is Monday of week 2, so we've got a lot of work to do. Today we're in whose house are we?
Claudette's
Claudette's house.
Tell you when you switch it up.
Oh, rider, baby.
Yes. Flip him in there. Good dang. Man, what a monster. Good job, Xavier.
Done, but today we got a lot more work to do. We're going to be painting, setting the kitchen countertops and tiling and cleaning up this front real well, and we'll just go from there. So you guys take a look and see what's going on. We got Daniel. We got our anchor out here. There's Ben.
What's up, guys?
Then Jabez. All right, so this is like the living room / den. This is a very nice home. It's gonna be a nice home. We walk into the kitchen here. See, there's a lot of work to be done here. Everything's custom made. Plywood cabinets. We got Carlos.
Like and subscribe.
Miss Sydney. We got the utility room. This is gonna be with the washer and dryers. Here's all the floor tile. You can see we got one broken window that needs to be fixed. And here's the beautiful backyard where Jabez's garden will someday be. All right, let's see the rest of the house. There's Miss Olivia. Say good morning. We come to the bathroom, and then we go to the left here. We've got another bedroom. There's Miss Daphne. Good morning. Got Jason. Got the artiste here, Van Gogh. He's going to be doing some painting on these walls. It's looking really. There's Miss Bonnie. There's the mastermind. Go in here, kicking off on this bathroom. We got Miss Karen. She's already working on the windows. Say hello.
You can take care of Ariel's room? Karen? Yes. Okay, so Karen's got Ariel's room, you've got Jabez's room.
Walk in here. This is Jabez's room.
Okay, so I got you guys there.
And there's my lovely wife, Nicole, and Miss Betsy. Y'all say hello?
Hello.
So this is Jabez's room. You can see we've got a lot of painting to do. Everything here is pretty much built out of concrete, block, masonry, so everything's got to be prefabbed up prior to, sealing the walls up with mortar. So you've got your conduit and electrical already run, your plumbing already done. And you notice here, a lot of homes, if you can look out the window here, you see that rebar that's already built, that's for an additional place. So they're very mindful and use what they have. That's what I love about this place. They don't let anything go to waste. So they reuse it. Just the least little things they'll take and reuse. But they're very thoughtful as far as the future. So they go ahead and they prefab for the upstairs so they can add on like a second story. So Jabez said, someday he hopes that will be his home. So you guys be praying for them that, that'll come to pass, because he's wanting to garden and do some things like that. But you guys be praying for all of his hard work, but man, it's such a reward. Thanks again for watching One Body Fishing, and hopefully next time we'll see you on the water.
I mash that out.
Yeah, I would. What'd that YouTube video say? Dude. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Messed up. You haven't got him sleeping yet.
We'll get it. There's the anchor right there. Gotta go get her.
Anger.
Anchor.
Oh, anchor.
There he comes. Now today on this old block house, what I like to do in a situation like this, I just like to look at it. Yeah.
We got a lot of people at home wondering what's going on, so give them an update.
Give them. Well, we're in Claudette's house. As a matter of fact, she just came and fed us. So Claudette is a chef by trade, and she just brought us lunch. And man, she's gonna cook. As you can see, we're all staying pretty healthy, even though we're working hard. But this is her home. Like I told you guys before, we're putting the plywood down first, and then we're going to put wire mesh down, and then we're going to put some mortar down. And then we'll be able to tile with a thin set. It'd be nice to have backer board, but we don't have backer board to be able to obtain it. So we've got to use what we got. So you guys stay tuned, and we'll see how this kitchen unfolds. What's going on?
Good.
How's it, man? It's looking good.
Yeah.
Got a little trim.
Thinking over Picado.
This looks good. Yeah, paint on this side while it's shady. That's a good idea. It's looking good.
Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. It's looking great.
Thank you.
Looking good, Daphne. What are we doing? Trimming? Nice. Looking good. Looking good.